Bonjour, Johui, Nosames McCready. It is Wednesday, and today I have finally, right? I was trying to solve it before I do the vlog, and it worked. Okay, it worked. So yesterday I did a little bit of research trying to figure out a few ways how to sort, because I did manage to implement to track data, and I'll explain a little bit. So it's for those who might want. The problem is I don't put a title on my vlog, so that's a problem. But I will explain nonetheless, right? For those who manage to tune in, or people might stumble upon my video. And lately, I need to track my subscriber count, because lately it feels that I gained quite a lot this year. Yeah, it was way more than usual. So algorithm, you know what? I have some random plans, but we'll talk about that next time. It's not for today. Today is more on game dev, and I put a soft deadline that I supposed to get the game, like it's done already by Monday, but now it's Wednesday, so I have to delay a few things. But first, parlant français, je ne peux pas parler français. Parlant la français où est l'ange? Je suis à la maison. C'est une journée ensoleillée. Le ciel is blue but not clear. We see some clouds. Le coucher du soleil. Today's sunset is super nice and gold. Okay, it's yellow. Obviously, it's not golden, but it's gonna be golden and then magenta. But this is nice. I like this type, and it's breezy. Oh, it's breezy now, and that's a problem. It's getting cold. It's getting cold, and I've not done my zooms as of late, thanks to that game dev. One, number two, it was raining last week, so I got nothing done. So yeah, so that's that. All right, cool. So finally I managed to get the position, right? So I've spent about 3 to 4 days trying to figure out how to get it done. But more importantly is that on Monday is where I put 100% focus, because UI and everything was complete. Everything I need to do, it's done already. I just need to get the positioning on the cars. Right now I only tested with one enemy, 2 cars. Okay, so I'm gonna test out with 3 cars later tonight. If it works, I'll add in 3 to 4 cars maybe, and that's it. The game is done. So unfortunately, I took 2 days to solve. No, okay, I won't say I took 2 days to solve. I took 2 days to figure out how to make the way of detecting stuff. All right, so this is the part where I will explain a little bit. The vlog might go a little bit longer today, but it's all right. So first thing, I was thinking about calculating the distance between the player and the finishing line. However, that's not the case for my game, because it's a loop, it's a circuit, so there's a few laps. I can't use that way, so I got a little bit annoyed. Next part I can use is by having I'll call it a checkpoint. Like every time you hit a checkpoint, it will calculate where you are in the not say where you are in track, so it will calculate the positioning. However, I found out one big issue, and that issue is I don't have a tracker to track where your car is in whichever position in the track, and that's a big issue. So the next thing I do is, how can I use to track, especially when it goes in the loop. Luckily, because right now, okay, if it's a player-driven car, I might need to redo a few things. But for the current state of the game, because it's AI driven, CPU driven, as much as I want to use AI driven, but in today's climate, AI means AI generated stuff. So no, okay. Everything is hand coded. Haha. The only difference is, yes, I do use Google and not AI, okay? But search, and actually it is. Google have implemented AI into their search engine. So in a way, I'm using AI. Dang it. But we're gonna talk about more on AI next time, because AI is technically a tool if it's used. The whatever window thing is, it's wind blow. Alright. Yeah, no, we'll talk about AI next time. Not now. So the next best thing I can do is, luckily, the way I coded my AI driving is by waypoints or nodes. So the next thing I did was quickly try to figure out, can I calculate the nodes every time a car passed by? The answer is yes. So I managed to do that. And lo and behold, trying to read up a little bit on how to sort some of the data, managed to get one or two. Actually, I already had a sorting system that I managed to learn and Google way back. So some of my old projects came and saved the day. Actually, you know what? It's actually from my stream game dev. Because my stream game dev has a scoring leaderboard. So it will sort the score, right? Ascending, descending. So it's kind of done already. I mean, not say kind of done. I already kind of have a little bit of knowledge on that. So I just need to learn a little bit more, expand a little bit more, how to sort multiple datas. And as of, I would say 10 minutes before I shoot the vlog, done. Complete. Yeah, complete. It is done. So now all I need to do is now packaging the game into a more presentable. Yeah, basically package the game, clean it up, make sure all the UI sound is needed, controls and whatnot. And for this round, for this packaging, stage one, I need to get at least one map. One race course is needed for this little thing first, and then on the weekend I'll just expand the race course, because everything is already set up already, so I don't need to redo a lot of things. Most of it is just copy paste, and that's it, right? Everything else, like all the features that I wanted to add a little bit more, you know what, that's for another day. Yeah, I'm not gonna pay attention to that because that's another thing that I would like to attempt, but not important for this game to ship, which is end of this week. That means next week Monday. That's the latest. Until then, that's all I have for you for today. Je dois read the main. Ooh, it's nice and breezy.